Good morning, my loves. So today is officially Vlogmas day 2, and I have a little special surprise for my 4-year-old. I'm going to take him to see the Holiday Express train. And what made me think about this idea was I thought about it this morning, literally. I was like, I want to take my baby as one of my Vlogmas days to go on the Polar Express train, because I thought about that movie that we used to watch growing up, Polar Express, and I looked it up and they canceled it in New Orleans this year. So I'm like, what the heck? So I'm looking and looking and looking, and so they had like this Christmas express train where you go and tour a train with Christmas and all else and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go surprise him with that, and I'm already a little late. The place is like 2 hours from here, so I have to hurry up and get ready because it starts at 4, but I'm sure I don't really have to be there for 4, but I want to be there early enough. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting ready now, so yeah, I'll see you. Okay, so I think he pretty much got an idea. Well, he knows that we're going somewhere, but he don't exactly know where we're going. I'm gonna tie my hair up if I can find a scrunchie. Those things are pretty scarce around here. Hold on, I don't know if y'all can hear my TV in the background, but let me pause it real quick. Alrighty, I'm back. I'm gonna keep those 2 out and put the rest of this here up. Hope you guys' day is going well. Y'all, I'm gonna try to stay committed to this Vlogmas idea, because I'm really trying to stay committed and focused and be more consistent with YouTube and content creating and stuff like that. And I just want you guys to be here to support me, you know, every step of the way, and let me know what more type of content you like. I'm running late, y'all, so I'm kind of rushing, but I'm kinda not. What up? You finished with your nuggets? Now you can go put your white shirt on.
No.
Why?
Because I want to keep on these.
Go put on your shoes. Look at your shoes right there.
Can I put on my boots?
Yeah. Yeah, let me know what other type of content y'all want me to see. I mean, y'all want to see me do. And I need more ideas for Vlogmas, because I hope I don't run out, but I'm gonna find more ideas. This is the braiding gel that I used for my edges.
Hi guys.
He's in the background putting on his shoes.
Oh, hi guys.
Oh, hi guys.
Hey,
I can't
stop.
really see you because you're so short.
Well, hi guys.
Talk to him for a little bit.
So guys, when it was nighttime, actually, I was making a whole mess with my yogurt on my mommy's bed, and her was so mad. I
was mad?
Yeah.
I sure was mad, because why you making mess?
Mommy, is this store 8 foot? Is this store 8 foot?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is it now?
Because why you was making mess in my bed?
Because...
Like you don't know how to eat.
I don't know how to eat.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You've been feeding yourself since you was 2 years old.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
You were.
I would know. Because I've been raising you.
Mommy, can you tie my shoe though?
Yeah, once I get done with my edges.
Mommy, can you show me how to tie my shoe?
I sure can, but I can't teach you. I can show you right now.
It's the same
And
thing.
just unbelieve. Okay.
My friend tie my shoe.
Oh my god. Alright, there we go. Alrighty. I'm ready. I think today I'm gonna wear this.
Mommy,
Hmm?
can you make my hair like this? Look, Mommy. Look. Like this.
Yeah. Well, not right now though.
You can you do it when you come back home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I think we are ready. Bless you. Are you ready?
No, I need to tie my shoes.
Oh, shoot. Okay, we're gonna go tie his shoes. Okay, alright. Let me tie his shoes. Yo, we was literally running out the house because I really don't want to be late and I don't want to be rushing and driving on this fucking highway. My handsome baby. But I'm at the gas station filling up right now, and then as soon as we fill up, we are heading out. Gonna hit the slab.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know why he got this big old coat on like it's cold outside, but he just got it when it was cold, and he loved it, so he never want to take it off. But he gonna take it off when we get out this car because it's hot outside.
I'm not taking it off. Get out of the car.
You think? There is an ambulance coming.
Whoa!
Hey, oh wait. That didn't get my tank off.
Where are we going?
Shamari just asked me, where were we? And I said, we're almost to the place. And he said, it looks like we're in the middle of nowhere. And I'm like, oh my god. Wow. Okay. He was asleep the whole entire ride.
No, I was eating my
Oh, he was eating. It was a 2-hour ride. He was asleep. So
on the grass.
we made it here, you guys. I'm eating some of Shamari's candy. And it's good, so.
Whoa.
The temperature dropped, y'all. And I'm mad that I didn't bring a jacket. Because it's like, temperature has definitely dropped a little bit.
Oh, let me hold your hand. I mean your arm.
So, I'm about to walk in here. Walk over here. And see what we're about to walk into.
Yeah, I'm so excited, guys.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Are you surprised?
I'm ready to see Santa and the elves and stuff.
See, I kind of told him because, like, he's a grown-ass man. And,
You
I told him it was a surprise. He was like, he doesn't like surprises, y'all. So I told him we was going to see Santa, but he don't know exactly what's going on. For real. So, it's a long walk. I'm going to show y'all. There's the train. I'm trying, hold on, let me bite my candy.
Is it Christmas?
Almost.
That's why everybody is.
Mm-hmm.
And they're a big monster.
Mm-hmm.
Like what the heck, bro?
Yeah, he's such a character. Such a character. Oh, they got some food over here or something.
I thought that train was gonna be smaller under that, but that thing is huge.
I know.
Yeah,
Can't walk down there.
I can't. Nah. Then look at that line.
I know, right?
Like
A whole line of people.
I know. A whole entire group of people with a line. Holy moly.
That's crazy. All these people we gotta walk behind.
I know.
What you think? What you think? Yeah, this is a long line. What you said?
Dead people.
He's saying that it's dead people in this train right here. Hold on. Dead people in this train right here. I said, I wonder what's in this train.
Mommy, I think there's abandoned. I think that train is abandoned.
It's abandoned?
Yeah, it's abandoned.
Oh, okay.
Like when we go somewhere like awesome and there's things like this, I think they abandoned. I think something happened.
My hair keep in the video. I didn't get the video because I was using the camera for the video. But the kids are taking pictures of PJ Masks. We're still in the line, but it's cool. Shamar, what are you doing? Come on. Look at all them people that was behind us. In that line. Now, we're still waiting behind these people.
Mommy, look how many rocks I have. Come on, Mommy.
train. About to get on the train.
We about to ride on the train.
We're not riding on the train, but we are getting on the train and seeing what's on this train that we came 2 hours for. But we're gonna see. We will see. We're almost there.
Come on, Bubba. Come on. I should have thought you were fashionable. There we go. Grab the handrail. That's all. Okay, and you especially. Okay. I want everybody on the
Look.
I forgot we're.
Oh my goodness, it's pretty in here. So pretty in here, guys. I'm coming behind you. I'm coming, boo. Go ahead. Wait, dude.
Baby, you ride the train. What are you talking about?
Look up, did you see, baby? That can hit you in the face.
Hey, they said we could rent a room, baby.
I see, dude. I'm recording it. I'm looking. I know.
Hey, ice skating this.
Oh, that's a train. That's a train. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. Look at this Santa Claus, Mommy. Look behind you.
I know. I saw them.
Yeah, we got a whole furnace in here, son.
Oh, Mommy, I saw it.
They still got the trees.
What?
Look, that's a big tree.
Are you going to see there? No, that is mine.
Go ahead. Walk. Yes, sir.
Oh, no. They'll be shredded before we get home.
He'll be coloring it. He'll be the only one. Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Thanks for coming. Celine and Rudolph. You need to learn this.
What?
There's a lot of candy in this bag.
You do? Let me see. Oh my God.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
We got the whole family.
The little blue one.
So how did you like the train?
So awesome!
So awesome.
Yeah, so awesome!
Awesome.
Wait, I liked it everything.
You liked it everything?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Yeah. This way? All right. Come on. Ooh, I gotta pee really, really bad, bro. Huh? Shamari. It's dark. This is why I need my selfie light and I don't have it. No, we going to the car.
Okay, right time goes.
Well, it's over, guys. Shamari took a picture with Tana. And he had a good time, I would say. I had a pretty good time, too. I guess it was worth the drive or whatever.
Candy out the back.
Wait till we get to the car. We're walking back to the car.
Hi, Wooly.
First time coming to a lemonade stand, guys. This your first time coming to a lemonade stand?
Oh, heck yeah.
I don't know what all they have. Maybe just lemonade or I don't know. I'm trying to look at the board.
What does it say?
I don't know. What kind of lemonade you getting? What kind of lemonade you getting?
Strawberry lemonade.
All right, I got you, buddy.
Hey,
We was this way. We gotta walk all the way down there. How's your lemonade? It's good.
hey, don't say me too. Say me too.
Oh, me too. He said he cold. The drink making him cold. My drink making me cold too. He want me to hold his drink because he cold.
Please hold it.
Please.
Oh, I forgot. I have this in my pocket.
Oh, wow. You snuck it out and put it in your pocket, huh? Mm-hmm. I got you. I see the games you be playing.
Can I open it when we go in the car?
Yeah, you can open it when we get in the car.
Okay. I hope it's going to be a black or red or white or birthday cake one.
It's chocolate.
It's gonna be a birthday cake one.
It's a chocolate one.
No, it's no. I think it's a birthday cake one.
So overall, we can say that we had a good day today.
Mm-hmm.
And Santa was fun.
Mm-hmm.
The train was fun.
Mm-hmm.
So what you rated? A 0 out of 10?
0. I picked 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
Tell the peoples. See you later and
See you
subscribe.
Subscribe and like this big fat mommy video.
Oh Lord, this big fat mommy video. Wow, that's insane. Alrighty, guys.